Welcome to the second module of the course, Environment Setup. What we are going to cover in this module? If you want to learn this course, what hardware you would be needing, what softwares you would be needing, which coding editor we are going to use, and what Git related things are required. All that things we are going to cover under the environment setup. That is nothing but what the environment is. Make sure that whatever things I'm going to suggest you inside this environment setup module, which are not that mandatory. If you have it, if you don't have it, still it will work, no problem. So let us see what things we are needing to begin with. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.